retirement of AFP and PNP heads has become more meaningful with the production of UNTV Songs for Heroes 2 benefit concert. Precious Ong tells us why.
Deciding to become a cadet of the Philippine Military Academy was a choice made together in 1977 by longtime friends AFP Chief of Staff General Gregorio Pio Katapang Jr. and PNP OIC Police Deputy Director General Leonardo Espina. According to Katapang, his batch with Espina was the first to pass the PMA class of 1981, which was called Dimalupig. In the first Songs for Heroes concert on March 19, Mr. Public Service Daniel Razon convinced the two generals to leave behind a legacy of financial support to their fellow soldiers and police before they retire from their posts.
Biruan kasi namin ni General Katapang the last time that we were here. Sabi ko, Sir, pa-retire na ho kayo ni General Espina. Lagi na lang hong nadidinig sa balita pagka pa-retire ang mga general at yung mga AFP chief, may pabaon at may pakimkim. Siguro this time, ang gawin naman natin, kayo naman ho sa pag-alis ninyo ang magpakimkim doon sa mga iiwanan po ninyo.
The two generals' mandatory age of retirement will take place this July. For Katapang, his friendship with Espina has become more memorable because of UNTV's Songs for Heroes 2.
Hanggang nag-retire kami, sabi ko, Dindo, what a way to retire with a concert and with a cause. Para sa ating mga kasundaluhan at sa ating mga PNP, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Espina as well shared that he will never forget the recognition that UNTV bestowed upon the men and women of the armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police.
Ito pa, re-retire ako, napakagandang regalo para sa akin pagka-alis ko, kaya talagang champion kayo.
UNTV has given away 8 million pesos to AFP and PNP through Songs for Heroes 2. With the help and support of Brother Eli Soriano of the members of Church of God International and Progressive Broadcasting Corporation President Atom Henares. According to Brother Eli, the amount was not enough compared to what the soldiers and policemen will sacrifice to defend the country.
Ang nagpapaalala sa akin sa aking mga kababayan, yung dahilan ng pagkakaipangibang bayan ko, nakakita ako ng mga iba-ibang kultura. Ang nakita ko, napakagaganda ng virtues ng Pilipinas, ng mga Pilipino. Wala sa ibang mga bansang pinuntahan ko. Yung spirit ng pagtulong sa kababayan.
Precious Ong reporting for Y News.